Here we are, the blizzard of 2011. Look at Chance. Oh, I just fell. Oh crap, I'm stuck. That's my leg, stuck in snow. There's
So right here, I'm not on the ground, and it's up to right here maybe.
Hang on, let me step back.
But I'm not on the ground either. I'm probably 6 inches from the ground. Look at the babies. Look at them. That's the tallest part of the entire yard.
Here we are. The dogs are making tunnels and pathways. Chance is trying to figure out how to get out of here. Here they go, here they go, here they go. Here we go. It's crazy. Like 5 foot snow. I was wanting to do that too though. Looks like a lot of fun actually. Never seen anything like it. It's crazy. This is a swing set. Let me get back some here.
Well, anybody help me?
You can see how high the snow is.
No,
Blake can't get up.
Yeah, I know how you guys feel.
The dogs are attacking him. Chances. They're really liking the snow. Zizzy. They just kind of hop like bunnies. See how high it is on that fence?
Yeah, let's go explore this side, guys.
I almost can't even walk. Yeah, that's George. George picks on you, doesn't he?
What?
I was talking to Chance. Can you see him?
Come on.
Chance could almost make it over the fence if he really wanted to.
Get stuck, buddy.
Oh, Chance is stuck. Here he comes. Here he comes. He made it out. Oh, you don't want to witness that since he found a shallow spot.
Here you go. You ready?
Hang on, let me zoom this out. Wow, that's crazy. See? Didn't even get close to the ground.
Oh, man.
Are you stuck again? Oh, and he is going to be attacked by one dog. Now 2 dogs. In the great blizzard. Here goes the dogs. Can you see we had a dog? Oh, there she goes. Look at her. There she goes. There she goes. It's okay, Zizi.
Yeah, good girl.
Come on, Zizi. Come on, Zizi. Yay. Oh, look at Chance. Oh my gosh, we've got to get this video to my mom. This is great. This is great.
Good boy.